Hey guys, so this is my very first video. So yeah, but today I'm going to be showing you guys my slime. I've got two slimes. Okay, so this one is a Play-Doh slime because this looks like it doesn't stretch that much. But yeah, it's soft. It's really nice and soft, actually. This is my two ingredient, but if you want to, you can add colouring, which would be a third ingredient. I'm very sorry. I'm not that good because I'm reading it off my phone because I don't have a tripod or camera. But that's good. Yeah. If you do it really slowly, it stretches, and then it does rip, like, look. So I'm doing it slow. It stretches and it rips. So yeah. Just to say, I do have a cold. So yeah. But yeah, this one is Shining, I could get mixed up. Shining Sun. Because it's yellow. I used to call it Bright Mustard, but I wasn't 100% sure on that. But I do actually have an Instagram account, and it's called Bright Slime 22. So if you want to, you can go and follow me on Instagram. So yeah, this is actually really fun. Okay. So that's the Shining Sun one, and it's not all one word, it's two separate words. And then this slime is actually really fun to play with. It's a bar slime that I made, so it's called Ginger Nut, which is all one word. Yeah. So how you make this is you make it out of blue tack slime, like blue tack, and then you add salt to it, which makes it blue tack slime. And then I added some of just a wee bit of this to it. So yeah, but it doesn't smell nice. Yeah. But yeah, this is actually really fun to play with. And this one is stretchier, as you can see. And it does wrap apart at a certain bit. Like, look. So yeah, it's because I've gone and added this to it. So this does dry out, but it's really easy to knead it back in together. See, like, because that was sitting in the container, I was actually drying out and it was hard, but I kneaded it all in, and kneaded it in together, and it's soft. So yeah, but you can break it if you want to really, like, if you do it fast. Then see, I don't even think I've got lotion. Oh, 2 minutes. I'm gonna get my blue tack slime back off my sister because she actually took it. So yeah, it's right here. And she's added stuff to it and it's made it stick. Not pleasant, there's hair in it. But yeah. She doesn't even, like, use it. It's like, what's even, like, the point of, like, and she made this one out of gum. Like, what you do is you leave gum in hot water, and then the shell comes off it, and then you knead it all together. But yeah, it's actually really fun to play with. I'm going to admit. But it's really sticky. Okay, so I'm just going to add a wee bit to that. Like it's coconut. It smells so good. I'm going to add all that together. And I actually seriously just like want to see what colour it turns. It's really big, guys, but well, it's not really big, it's big. But I took it back because she just took it off me. But I'm gonna keep calling it ginger now because I can add more colour to it. I actually added brown and it made that really nice ginger colour. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put that back where I got it. Go. So yeah, got it back now. Where's it here? You think I'll get it out. No. And there. And there. Yeah. It's disgusting why she put hair in it. I don't know if she accidentally put it in there, like she got it stuck in her head or something, or she just purposely put it in. I don't think she purposely put it in, but so yeah. But this is more stretchy now and doesn't break like ink like this. My face. Yeah, I'm gonna add more colour to it. I'm actually using a permanent marker, so yeah. I'm sorry again. My phone is actually on charge because I don't have a lot of percent, so that everything on charge. So yeah. It's gone later, but I'm gonna add more colour to it. This is actually pink, but then whenever I colour it in, it turns brown. Like when I colour anything in, it turns brown. I don't even know why, guys. So my pen is weird. And I've got a green one, but it just stays green. I love it. Can't really see it. Sorry. I'm gonna add more colour. Seriously, I don't even know what's wrong with my pen. Yeah. Really nice and soft. I need to add more colour because I really like the colour like when it was dark. So yeah. Just to say on my slime account, Bright Slime 22, I don't sell, but I might be starting to. Not yet, because I need to get more slime because I've only got 2. I did have 3. It's just the other one went too sticky and it would not come off my hands. And that was my very first video, which was called Earth. So yeah. And if I was going to sell the Earth one, it'd be £1.50. Because I took forever to do that one. Sorry about the noise. I don't know if I should call this chocolate or ginger nut, but I really like the name ginger nut, so I might just keep it ginger nut. I don't know. I seriously didn't know, guys, because like I'm struggling here. Seriously struggling. Slime names. Why? I'm seriously just colouring it in. I was just doing like a little lines. I don't know if I should add foam beads. I'm not scared. It's just like this is blue attacks on me. Nah, I won't add foam beads to this. This is actually a really nice slime. I do love it. Look. It's so cute. Bye bye, love heart. I miss you. But that was actually really cute. I'll just star. Well, I'll try to. I'm not that best at stars. I'm kind of bad. So I just do the cheating way. Like the way you do the triangle and all that. And I'm just going to colour it in. Yeah, it's not the best, but it will do. I need to make it focus. Like, focus. Focus on me. Focus on me. I'm going to turn the light on because it's actually pretty dark. It's not really dark. It's pretty dark. That's so much better, guys. I need to add a little more color. I'm going to try and draw a star without doing the cheating way. Okay, this is like actually really bad. Okay, I'm not going to show that because that is embarrassing. Wake up, kids. Oh no. It's going to be stuck to me. Wake up, kids. We got a dreamer's disease. Frenemies, we got you down on the knees. Getting tattoos here. Jeez. I'm going to put a wee bit of music on. This is my iPod because I'm filming it on my phone. Yeah, I'm just going to keep adding color. And I need to put my music. Oh, here it is. Frenemies. This is just me. Sick Boy by the Chainsmokers is actually a really good song, isn't it? east side of America, where we choose pride over character. And we can pick sides. This is us, this is us, this is. I live on the west side of America, where the spin lights of a fairy dust. And we can pick sides. This is us, this is us, this is. Don't believe in narcissism when everyone projects and expects you to listen to. Make no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself, it is my religion. And they say that I am the sick boy. Easy to say when you don't take the risk, boy. Welcome to the narcissism. I guess stuck with that, but side of America, when you spend lives of America. This is us, this is us, this is the side of America. I'm gonna shut up. Lots of every day. Okay, this is actually trying to get really nice. So, I am the sick girl. I'm looking at this boy. I am the sick boy. I am the sick boy. I actually want my hair straightened now. I don't like it curled. Like, it's okay, it's just this bit. It doesn't sit that side, because then it'll be a bit long, and it does not sit that side. And I don't want to brush it, because then the curl will obviously come out. I'm getting jointing in my hand with this. Side of America, I am the sick boy. On the side of America, I'm the sick boy. I am the sick boy. I'm a sick girl. Sick girl. I'm like, no, it's actually a boy, but I am a sick girl. That actually just sounds weird from saying girl from boy to girl. It just sounds weird. Like when you're singing it, I don't know why. It just sounds weird to me. Just to say this did actually take me a while to colour this, to get the ginger colour. But it turns brown, and then like if you keep adding it, and then it'll go into ginger. Like not ginger, because that's like a nice calm ginger colour. They call me the sick boy. On the outside of America, they say that I am the sick boy. They say that I am the sick boy. This is a good song. Just to say, I'm actually weird, but I like it. You know, everybody's different, so. It's a sad day. They're behind like a last name. They ain't got the bottle, no champagne. Swerve on a hate at fast lane. Get smoke, no ashtray. Back at it again, back eight. Going down, a sad face. Them yellow bit bad taste. Bad breath. Don't take shots like a I actually like that color. Old school, way back when. Chewed everything, past tense. So just move for me. I come together, like a do for me. Hold up, wait, my head. I can smell a hate about the fragrance. They don't want to see me elevating. Who want to talk, but wait, so I got the juice. So, all my slimes, and well, nearly. So I might be getting some. I might be buying some off of other people on Instagram. But that's all on from now. And I love you guys. Bye. And thank you for watching my very first video. So if you want to go and check out my Instagram, it is Bright Slime 21. No, 22. I mean, I'll try and get it on my iPod and I'll show you it. Instagram. What the heck? Wait for it to focus. That's her, like, right there. Oh my gosh, that looks disgusting. Bright Slime 22. Here it is. I do actually only have, there's a notification, you turn it. Yeah. I only have one post, but this was the Earth Slime. I'll turn it right up. We did pause it sometimes, like there, because I kind of had to. But yeah. So it says, sorry about BG noise. Right, and BG stands for background noise. Bright Slime 22. Right, so that was by me, Bright Slime 22, and then by Bright Slime 22 again. This slime is called Earth. Green slime with blue glitter, and it's so stretchy. Well, now it's gone. I wasted £5 for putty to make it into slime. Well, that was a waste. Oh my gosh. I would be really scared to go to school like that. But yeah, this is our little logo. 2 minutes. Focus, focus, focus. Focus on. Right there. But yeah, and I'm just going to go, and I'll see you later. Bye. Love yous.